Hey guys, this lens right here is f.95 or 0.95 on a Blackmagic Pocket 4K. This might be one of the most cinematic combos I've ever tested. Today I'm shooting with a Voigtländer 25mm f0.95 on the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K, and I want to see can this setup actually give that full cinema look without a cinema budget.
Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Hopping around at the excuses. Read all the lines, yeah, I see through it.
If you are into honest camera reviews and real-world gear tests, make sure to subscribe because I upload new photography and filmmaking content every week.
I'm fine, RSVP, don't interrupt my energy.
So, this is a fully manual lens, no autofocus, no electronic contacts, just pure control. Mounted on the Blackmagic Pocket 4K, this becomes roughly around 50mm equivalent. So this is perfect for cinematic shots, interviews, subject isolation. And first impression, this combo looks that feels like a cinema rig ready.
Go ahead, accuse me of overreacting. I was just fine before I met you.
Everything here is metal, super premium feel. The focus ring, very smooth, long throw, perfect for manual focus pulling. And the aperture ring, click version from f0.9 all the way up to f16. This is exactly the kind of lens you want for cinematic control.
To get to me, I'm fine. RSVP, don't interrupt my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wake me.
Let's talk about the look. At 0.95, very shallow depth of field, creamy background blurred, slight softness, but honestly, that's the character. This is not the clinical lens, this is the artistic lens. Now, if you stop down to f1.4 or f2, boom, sharpened image. More usable for general shots, but still with the cinematic feel.
I'm VIP, gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine. RSVP, don't.
This is where the lens really shines. Manual focus pulling. Because of the long focus throw, you can get those smooth cinematic transition. This is something autofocus lenses just cannot replicate the same way.
You know I'm fine. Living a daydream. Baby, I'm fine. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine.
Now, let's be real. This lens is not for everyone. No autofocus, heavy for its size. At 0.9, focus is very tricky, not as sharp as wide open. So if you're looking for convenience, this is not it. But if you control and cinematic look, different story.
After all that you could have been a star, take me where you wanna go down. Grab a seat, sign a check, you know that I'm the one that you want, you know it. You know, and every time that you're moving close, you gravitate to my body. I know everything that you want and I want it.
This lens is perfect for filmmakers, cinematic vloggers, manual shooters, people who loves vintage style rendering. If you are a beginner who depends on the autofocus, maybe not your first choice.
It's a problem that you never even had. It's the same with your father, he would always wave the flag. There's no easy way to dash, face it up and make it pass. Take me where you wanna go down. Grab a seat, sign a check, you know that I'm the one that you want and I want. Yeah.
So, Voigtländer 25mm f0.95 on a Blackmagic Pocket 4K. Honestly, this combo feels like cheating. You get insane low-light performance, cinematic depth of field, beautiful rendering. But you also need skill to use it properly. This is not easy lens, but if you master it, the results are insane.
I've been dying to figure it out. Why do I live this way? Thought I'd like myself better by now, but I don't.
If you want more real-world tests like this, lenses, cameras, cinematic setup, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.
whisper